name is Rachel Gor, Group 4 presenting. So our project title was Water Conservation Through Drip Irrigation, and the subtitle was Growing of Vegetables Using Water Conservation Structure. And the project undertaken was planting of kales using drip irrigation as water conservation structure. It was undertaken to conserve water which was being wasted in the college community. Also, it was taken to reuse water bottles by drip irrigation. So the community members interacted with were one, Madam Stella Sikuku, who is the chief principal. She was to provide site which we were to do the project, and also offering overall coordination of the project. We also had Mr. Luke Uera and also Mr. Bill Clinton, the agriculture teachers. They were to provide guidance and assistance where necessary. Also we had Mr. Ambrose Adhiambo, who is the overall supervisor. He was to provide tools and equipment which we were to use in the project. We also had Bruce Atieno, the college security, providing security. She is to provide security during the project and to take teacher and to the teacher training. So what struck the community members' mind during project identification was the need to take care of the environment and conserve it. So the situation at the project site before and after the project. So before the project, the land was bare, the land was bushy, and after the project, the land was agriculturally under use, and also the aesthetic value of the land was seen. And the group, how the different the groups were after completing the project compared to when they started. There was better problem solving skills, and also there was development of values such as love, and they were working together, and also unity. Also the community members responsible and what the responses made them feel. The community members' responses and what the responses made them feel was appreciative. They took appreciative initiative by use and fulfilled as they took part in the project. What attracted community members to be part in the project was that the problem was directly affecting them, and what they have learned about themselves during identification, planting and implementation of the project was they learned that they are competent to identify and solve environmental problems affecting them, and how different they are from other groups, and how the difference hindered and helped their group members. So the groups were faster than other members, and others had arguments during the work. The connection the project had with the other subjects. So first we had mathematics, taking measurements during the project. That mathematics, it was linked to mathematics. We also had home science, cleaning the environment. We also have CRE, that is taking care of the environment. What we had learned about community issues or projects was that the projects are workable and can be solved. And what they will do differently if we oversaw similar project in future. One, we would fence to avoid wild animals from eating our crops. Also, we would store different the bottles. We will store them correctly so that we won't struggle when we are practicing. We won't struggle looking for water bottles when we are practicing water drip irrigation. Also, the knowledge, identify the best and the worst thing that happened during project identification, planning and implementation. So the best thing we can say was that the gaining of knowledge, skills, and the worst we can say maybe bad weather and limited time. Also, conflicts we had during the project, what caused it and how we solved it. So we had inadequate tools and equipment. It was solved by agricultural teacher who provided the equipment. How the experience on the project applied to other situations in our lives. So we learned that we are able to plant even during the dry seasons. When during the dry season you can plant and then you use drip irrigation. And the next step after the project, so guiding the community in identifying more sites in the community that they can utilize for agriculture, sensitizing the community on the importance of conservation of water. Thank you.